Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Travis Dykes. Today we're going to be diving into ghost note exercises. If you don't know what ghost notes are, I have another video up. It's talking about kind of the overview and the basics of ghost notes. But this video, we're going to be working on how we could develop our left and right hand technique when it comes to playing ghost notes. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into the lesson. We're going to be in the key of A. We're going to play the A major pentatonic scale. And if you don't know that, feel free to go watch my Pentatonic Scales Part 1 video, and where I talk about, all the basics of what the pentatonic scale is and all that kind of stuff. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the extension in the key on the G string. So it's going to be like this. All right, so anyways, so now the first exercise that we're going to do is I'm going to call it doubles. I mean, it's not really necessarily a bunch of names for this that I know, but this is just some ways that I see it and the way I identify it. So I call this doubles. So basically what I'm going to do is play a note, ghost note, before I play the actual note. So it'd be like this. So all I'm doing is playing a ghost note and then playing the note. Next note, A string. Next note. Oh, stumbled in there a little bit. But yeah, so yeah, so that's the first exercise. There's actually I think that's a lick. I don't know, I just thought about it. No, I think that's a lick from a song, an old Ty Tribbett song that I love, which is using the same this actual exercise. But yeah, you can check. I don't know what song it is. If I remember it, I'll put it in a link below. But anyways, so that's the first exercise. Now the next exercise, we're going to be doing the same major pentatonic scale, but this time we're going to do triplets. So it's going to be like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So all I'm doing is I'm going to go slower. So I'm just doing 1 2 3. Then on that third one is when I hit the note. 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. All right. So and so that's pretty much it for this one. And we're just practicing with this. And remember, you don't have to just stick with just this first position. You can go to the next position up too. All right. Anyways, so that's it for that second one. Now the third one is going to be same thing, but this time we're going to kind of do like a triplet kind of deal, but what we're going to do is we're going to add a slap to it, like a little kind of like a snare drum. So it'd be like, this is going to be your snare drum. So slap and then 1, 2, 3. Because basically all you're doing is adding a slap to your triplet one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I say slap, it doesn't have to be like, it doesn't have to be like killing. It could just be something very soft like that. I just need to add to the ghost note. So I can even do it on the string. All right. And remember, you can do it in any part of the pentatonic you want to. So, and the big thing is what you could start using this with is that you can start, because this just starts off as an exercise. And I want you to start off as an exercise first. So you can start kind of getting it on your fingers. But then I want you to start losing the rules. Start losing the rules a little bit and be like, you know what? What if I played these doubles with the last one, the slap and the triplet? So it's like, just like start mixing it up and just start trying to create grooves and taking some grooves you already know and try to add like a drum kind of percussive deal from these exercises to the line. And when you start doing that, you'll start understanding and start noticing, oh, you know what? That kind of sounds like what the drum is doing. Let me try and do what the drum is doing. And then ideas will start to form and it will start to develop your ghost note creativity. So hopefully this lesson helps you to open your mind up to that. And remember that ghost notes are just emulating what the drums are doing to make it groove. So like if a drummer's playing boom cha cha boom cha boom cha cha boom cha, you can do You know what I'm saying? I probably look like crazy doing that, but the thing is that I want this to get the point across to you because all it is just emulating what the drums are doing. So you could like boom ga do 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 ga boom ga do 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 ga boom boom ga do 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 boom ga do 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 boom ga do 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 boom ga do do do. It's just like, that's how you get the ideas and start forming. So start listening to the drummers and you'll start understanding, start getting out more ideas. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment below. I know I don't answer immediately, but I promise you I do see them and I will answer really quickly as I can. And so anyways, and feel free to check out my Instagram at @tdykes if you have any more questions or want to check out some of my videos on there. And also feel free to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell beside it so you're notified when the latest video is uploaded. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next lesson.